Example, prove that the set of all linear map from V2 to V2 which maps the vectors which map the vector on the line x plus y is equal to 0 onto the origin is a subspace of L V2 comma V2. So this is our today's example. In this they are asking to prove if, see what is given in the question. They are given that the set of all linear map. First of all, we should know what is the set of linear map. Suppose this is one set. This set contains some linear maps. So let it be T1, T2, T3 and up to so on. So these are the map from V2 to V2. So I can say that T1 is a map from V2 to V2, T2 is a map from V2 to V2, T3 is a map from mapping from V2 to V2. So the set of all linear map from V2 to V2 which map the vector. So if they have a vector, suppose this is V2, so it contain element like x1 comma x2. So this is some vector V is equal to x1 comma x2. So the set of all linear map from V2 to V2 which map the vector on the line x plus y is equal to 0 onto the origin. That is, if we have a vector, suppose this is x1 comma x2, t of x1 comma x2, so it should maps on 0 0, that is origin. That means we have a set of all linear map v2 to v2 which map any vector onto origin. So we have to prove that this kind of set should be subspace of L v2 comma v2. So it is very clear from the example itself that what we have to prove and what is given here. So we have to prove that the set is a subspace. So before that we have to consider any set. So consider the subset of L v2 comma v2. So let it be A is equal to all t belongs to L v2 comma v2 such that T image of x1 comma x2 maps to the element 0 comma 0 for x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. So we have taken a set A. This is defined in this way. We have to prove that A is a subspace of LV2 comma V2. So before proving any set to be subspace, we always have to remember one thing, that set should be non-empty. So we have to prove that the given set is non-empty. So clearly we can say that I can write T image of 0 0 is nothing but 0, because here 0 is 0 and first element is 0 and second element is 0. So if I am taking x1 plus x2, that means 0 plus 0, which is nothing but 0. So this implies that x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. That means sum of these two element is nothing but 0. So we find such a vector whose T image is mapping to 0. So we can say that T belongs to A. So so A is a non-empty set. Now we have to prove that it is a subspace. To proving any set to be subspace of any set or any vector space, so we have to prove that alpha T1 plus beta T2 belongs to set A. So let let T1 comma T2 belongs to A. If T1 and T2 belongs to A, then T1 image of x1 comma x2 is 0 comma 0, or x1 plus x2 is equal to 0, and T2 image of x1 comma x2 is equal to 0 comma 0 for x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Now alpha T1 plus beta T2 x1 comma x2 is equal to alpha T1 x1 comma x2 plus beta T2 x1 comma x2. I can write this because LV2 comma V2 is a vector space and every vector space is itself a subspace. So this is equal to alpha, and T1 comma T1 x1 comma x2 is nothing but 0 plus beta 0 comma 0. If I multiply alpha with 0, then I will get 0 comma 0, plus if I multiply beta with this, I will get 0 comma 0. This implies that 0 comma 0. That means alpha T1 plus beta T2 x1 comma x2 is nothing but 0. This implies that alpha T1 plus beta T2 belongs to A. This implies that hence A is a subspace of LV2 comma V2. I hope you understand this question. We'll solve next one.